We're really excited to be here today at All Energy. It's our biggest function of the year where we get to see all of our customers, all of our Fronius Solutions partners, talk about the solutions that we've been working hard on all year at Fronius International and locally. And we're really, really lucky that we have the best customers in the industry. So we get a lot of energy here. We love to see everybody and talk about how we can make 24 hours of sun a reality.
So this year we've introduced an additional model to our Primo range, the Primo SC, stands for Superior Current. So now the Primo SC has an 18 amp current input rating and the 5 kilowatt nominal AC output rating. So with that you can actually oversize your system to the full 133% that you would to claim your STCs on. So you've got the best of both worlds now.
Hello, my name is David Hanek. I come from Austria from the product management team. I'm the responsible product manager for the Primo Gen 24 Plus. We have two kinds of backup options. Here we have PV Point. PV Point is sort of an opportunity power, a limited backup power up to approximately 3 kilowatt, single phase for both Gen 24 Plus inverters. And you can still go for the full backup package if you want to have the maximum output of the PV inverter and you want to supply your home. The PV Point transfer switch is integrated inside the inverter, which is a really handy solution for all that want to dig into the advantages of backup power.
With the data recorded on Fronius Solar Web, you can actually see how you're using the power in the house and basically change the way that you're using the power to increase your self-consumption. So if you have a Fronius smart meter and a Fronius inverter installed already there, you can also add a battery and size the battery accordingly to that.
Australia is one of the leaders in the solar industry. All the projects they are doing is in line with our 24 hours of sun vision, and especially as we are just manufacturer of solar inverters and the necessary tools, we also need partners to get to our goal of 100% renewable energy supply, because the products need to be implemented, and especially in Australia, the installers and EPCs, they're doing a really great job in doing that because they focus on quality systems, and that's exactly what you need for 24 hours of sun, long-lasting systems for 20 years or longer to really provide a reliable energy supply.
24 hours of sun is our company vision and goal. What it means is that we're striving for a 100% renewable energy future. We know that the environment is critically changing and the world is heating up, and we do believe that we need to make some drastic changes in order to have a future for our children, to protect all the things that we love about living on this planet. So as an inverter manufacturer though, as a company that also works in welding and battery charging, we do understand that we only play a small role in this future, in this goal. And so the way we see our part is that we need to work on technology and solutions that help accelerate to this vision, and sometimes that means with working with partners, working with our competitors to accelerate to that future. Sometimes that means working through our Fronius service partner network to ensure that quality and reliability of solar and other technologies remains very high as decentralization of renewable energy takes over more traditional sources like fossil fuels. And also that we work with individuals to understand the benefits of renewable energy.